Okay, let's do this. Place some trades there. You can definitely see why I placed these trades. Watch the videos on this channel and you will see how I trade VIX and boom and crash. But otherwise, let's see. My plan for today is to just go in and just quickly get something and get out. That's the plan for today. I realize that I'm behind on my weekly target. So I'm hoping that I can just quickly do this and get some. Let's just do that. It seems I've maxed my account now. It seems like I've maxed my account now. Now I can't get anything. Danger. But let's see what happens. I just want to quickly do this and get out so that I can catch up with my weekly trading target. Now it's going against me. Maybe it was a bad idea. Beginning to think it's a bad idea. Bad idea. Let's see. Go down. Come on, VIX, go down. Go down some more. Go down some more. Go down some more. Go down some more. If I can do that. Go down some more. If you can just like come around here. Whoa. Okay. Bad idea. Oh. Yep, that's the problem with VIX. You need to have enough equity to handle drawdown. Just bear this in mind. Wow. Oh. Yeah, bad idea to put the whole account at risk. Always have enough equity for drawdown because VIX does this. It always pushes back. Oh. Okay, let's see. I am seriously regretting this. Seriously regretting this. I just did push down. Maybe if I can make just 2,000, then I get out. Still confident in this level. I don't know why I'm still confident in this level because of those two candles. But it doesn't seem like it wants to go my way. Okay, don't do this on VIX. Always make sure that you have enough equity to handle the drawdown. But I'm hoping that if I can just get 2,000, I can catch up with my weekly target and all will be fine. Seems like, hey. I'm sweating in my pants at the moment. Basically, sweating my pants. It doesn't want to go my way. Let's see. Okay, some blues. Go down. Go down, VIX, go down. Okay, some wow. Okay, if I get out, if I get out, get out. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. In case, just in case. Yeah. Yeah. Now it wants to go down. Now it wants to go down. Ah, now it wants to go down. Well, I reached my target. I made my 2000. So that's what matters. That's basically what matters. Every day, go in the markets with a target. When you meet your target, you get out of the market. Now I'm just playing with it. I just want to see what's going to happen, but I'm now just basically playing with it. But at least I've taken money off the table. That's what you want to do. Go in the market with a target. Get your target and get out. No matter whatever happens in the market, don't worry about everything else. Go in with your target, get your target, and get out. But I must admit that I was worried. I was worried that margin call. I was worried. I am just relieved that I did not lose any trades and it worked out well. Maybe better idea to enter with the whole account, but anyway, I'm on track now. I'm on track now. Yeah. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like the video. Just motivate me to continue sharing the knowledge that I have. Again, the way I trade, the videos are on this channel. It's the way that I trade synthetic indices, how I trade forex, how I trade crypto, and everything. If you are looking to download free forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are also links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. About the broker that I use, also the link is in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is basically for free, so everything that you are going to get from those blogs is for free. It's free for you to download. So yeah, let's see. Probably thinking about just closing it out. Just thinking about just getting out of it. Otherwise, survived another day. Survived another day. Yes, that's the market. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but it's always a good day when you get out of the market and your account is still intact. I think I got a little bit too greedy today. I think I got a little bit too greedy today. I need to watch myself. Every strategy will have a failure point at some point. So, yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. I will check you in the next video.